VRM, Voltage Regulator Module, in computers. A VRM, Voltage Regulator Module, is an essential component in a computer's motherboard, responsible for delivering the precise voltage required by the CPU, Central Processing Unit, GPU, and sometimes RAM or chipset. What does a VRM do? Modern CPUs operate at lower voltages than the main power supply, typically 12 volts. A VRM steps down the voltage from the power supply, like 12 volts, to the specific voltage, like 1.2 volts, required by the CPU. Maintains stable voltage even when CPU load changes. Protects the CPU from voltage spikes or drops. VRM components. A typical VRM consists of 1. MOSFETs, act like switches for current. 2. Chokes inductors, smooth out current fluctuations. 3. Capacitors, store and stabilize power. 4. PWM controller, manages the switching operation. VRM phases. A phase lock refers to a power delivery lane. More phases equals smoother and more reliable power. High-end motherboards might have 10 to 16 phases. Basic ones might have 4 to 6. More phases help with overclocking and reduce heat on each individual phase. VRM cooling. VRMs generate heat. That's why most motherboards use heat sinks over the VRM. High-performance boards might use active cooling, fans or water blocks. Why VRM quality matters. Stable system performance, better overclocking support, longer CPU and motherboard lifespan. If you're building or upgrading a PC, especially for gaming or heavy tasks, pay attention to the VRM quality of your motherboard. It's critical for performance and stability. Let me know if you want motherboard recommendations based on VRM quality.